Hello guys, my name is Alex. Welcome to my YouTube channel and today we're going to play Speed Draw. And in what? Okay guys, nag-reconnected ako. Oh, simula na agad. Wait. This is copyright. Wait. Oh. Nice. Eyelashes? What? Maganda yan. Wow. So many cockroach. Oh. Ito pala ang speed draw. Okay guys, who won one? And the winners are... Sino kaya guys? Siya guys! Siya ang nawan. Si Suruki. Suruki, Kami. Second, Kami. Ako wala. Speed draw guys. And kung gusto nyo akong add friend nyo na ako. My name is... Kita nyo na yung my name, di ba? Yung name ko. Ayun o. So guys, eto siya. Oh. Storm. Oh, I'm gonna do some storm, guys. Confirm. And a black. Sorry guys kung hindi ako marunong mag-drawing. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-drawing, guys. Okay guys. And ito. Ano ba to? Brush yun. Ito guys. Ito. And a very nice black. Ito pala guys, mali ako. Grabe ba yan ah? Oh. Three minutes lang to guys. 1 minutes na lang. Storm. Kaya natin to guys. Storm. Yan. Yan. And yun. Okay na to guys. Storm. Ang ganda guys. And some raining taco from under the sky. Taco beneath the sky. So open your eyes and close your eyes. It's raining taco. Okay na to guys. Let's save him. Yay! So guys, Storm! Ano yan? Grabe, bibigyan natin yan ng 2. Kasi hindi naman storm yan eh. Ano ba yung storm? Ayun no, Parang ganyan. Yung umuulan. Storm. Yung dirinawin niya pagkain. Seaweed. Grabe. Okay, guys. Ay, di ko na star. Ayun ako, guys. Rate nyo yan. 100 star. Okay, guys. Storm. One look. What? Anong storm? Chup. Dorito. Tsaka ice cream. Ice cream yan, guys. Dahil magaling ka, 3 star. Wala! Paano yan nanalo, guys? Paano yan nanalo? Pang 5 bit ako! Oh, no. Why? Why? But it's okay. Barilan yan, guys. Babarilin kita. Watermelon. Nako, guys. Watermelon. Di pa naman ako marunong sa watermelon. Ito. Yan. Sorry kung hindi ako magaling.
Kuya, tawag ka.
Okay, guys. Last na drawing ko na lang to, magbababay na ako. Okay, guys. Lumagpas na nakakapagod, guys. Mag-drawing. Nahirapan ako. Watermelon. Ayan na, guys! Sana panalo ako, guys. 5. Yan, 4 star natin yan. Sino to, guys? Watermelon. What? Ganda, guys. 3 star. Yung mga magaganda, binabay mo. Yung mga pangit na drawing, guys, mas lalong nananalo. He's cheating, guys. Ayun yung sa akin, guys. Watermelon. Oh, guys. Oh! That's a new watermelon. So, dito muna nagtatapos ang video na ito. Sana nagustuhan nyo to. Bye-bye!